Hey there, welcome to another episode of Mighty Machine Masters, where we talk about machinery's heaviest and most outstanding designs. These machines have been so crazy in design that it is sometimes unbelievable that humans made them, but that's false. We did that, so on today's episode, we'll be looking at some amazing high-tech heavy equipment working at an insane level of operation. Number 1. SAM 100. One of the most incredible machines ever created is a semi-automated robot that can lay bricks 4 times faster than a human. A company in New York developed it, and it will be available for purchase soon. It took 8 years for New York-based Construction Robotics to create and test the semi-automatic Mason or SAM system, which is currently priced at $500,000. The system was evaluated on building sites. The system's robotic arm, which may be ordered, can pick up bricks, apply mortar, and place each brick in the appropriate spot to form a wall. It can lay 800 to 1,200 bricks every day. An average human mason can only lay between 300 and 500 bricks daily. Number 2. Liangyu. The Liangyu, or Mixed Shield S880, was created by the German engineering company Knecht. The machine can tunnel 30 meters daily in heavy, saturated earth and rock with a power output of 5,600 kilowatts and a torque of 27,000 kilonewton meters. The tunnel boring machine, or the TBM, was utilized to excavate the Czech Lap Kok Tuanmun subsea road tunnel in Hong Kong, China by the French company Dragline Hong Kong, a subsidiary of Bouygues Construction. According to the Guinness World Records, it is the world's largest tunnel boring machine with a massive shield diameter of 17.63 meters, an overall length of 120 meters, and a weight of 4,850 tons. After this machine cleared the first part of the tunnel in 2015, workers changed its shield to a smaller one, 14 meters, to finish the tunnel. It finished the tunnels in 2019 by working 30 meters below sea level with another Knecht borer and 2 tunnel boring machines. Number 3. The P380. Bridge inspection units have been successfully used on many railway vehicles, two-way vehicles, and road vehicles for many years. They stand out by an extensive operating range both above and below track level. Equipped with electrical, hydraulic, and pneumatic energy in the workman baskets, these units can also be used to take material samples and conduct light repair work. Number 4. Road Zipper. A barrier transfer machine, sometimes called a road zipper or zipper machine, is a large truck used to move concrete lane dividers, like Jersey barriers, intended to reduce traffic during rush hour. They're used briefly during construction in many other cities. Zipper lanes is another term that describes the lanes the machines form. A strong positive barrier stops cars from crashing into opposing traffic lanes when they cross over, which is one benefit of barrier systems over alternative lane management techniques such as traffic cones or overhead directional lights. The ability to somewhat narrow lanes is a drawback. Number 5. The Rosenbauer Pahnter. The Austrian firm Rosenbauer produces a model of airport crash tender called the Rosenbauer Pahnter. Some versions are 4x4, 6x6, and 8x8. With an operating weight of 40 tons, the 8-wheel drive version can carry 14,500 liters of fire extinguishing agents and reach a top speed of 140 kilometers per hour. Sentinel Prime's alternative form in the movie Transformers: Dark of the Moon is a Rosenbauer Pahnter. The 6x6 variant was selected for the movie and painted red and black, with windows tinted and Autobot artwork to resemble Sentinel Prime's appearance. Subsequently, Rosenbauer gave Transformers, a Hasbro toy company subsidiary, permission to create a duplicate of the Sentinel Prime Pahnter vehicle. The playset sold more than 300 million copies. Number 6. The Class DD-14. The Class DD14 is an amazing machine made in Japan. It was a self-propelled rotary snowplow unit operated by the National Railway Company, Japanese National Railways, and then the East Japan Railway Company from 1961 to 2015. It was a BB wheel arrangement diesel hydraulic locomotive type. The Class DD14 locomotives were single-end cabs with a rotating snowplow unit and the cab end, based on the previous Class DD13 sixth batch locomotives. It was JNR's first rotary snowplow driven by diesel. There were two 500 horsepower diesel engines in the locomotives. Number 7. The Komatsu 901TX. The Komatsu 901TX is the most productive thinner machine in the world and one of the most amazing machines from the ground up. Its unparalleled performance and mobility minimizes its impact on the forest while being incredibly effective. Boosting forest ground clearance, increased productivity at maximum extension stems from a recently installed, larger crane with a lift capacity of 170 kN-meters. Mobility is improved, and the environmental effect is lessened because of the high ground clearance of 25 inches. The new Komatsu Comfort Bogie guarantees the enhanced climbing capabilities, exceptional maneuverability, and smooth riding. Number 8. Bagger 288. The German business Krupp constructed the Bagger 288, also known as Excavator 288, a bucket wheel excavator or mobile strip mining machine for the energy and mining company Rheinbraun. At 13,500 tons, Bagger 288 surpassed Big Muskie as the world's largest land vehicle upon completion of its construction in 1978. The project cost $100 million and took 5 years to develop, produce, and construct. It was replaced in 1995 by the slightly more powerful Bagger 293, which is 14,200 tons. Since bucket wheel excavators require an external power source, NASA's Crawler Transporter is still the world's largest self-propelled land vehicle. At the same time, the overburden conveyor bridge F-60s are the largest land vehicle of any kind in terms of physical dimensions. Number 9. Bertha. Bertha is a fantastic tunnel boring machine worth $80 million and weighing 6,700 tons. It can stretch up to 110 millimeters and 17.45 meters in diameter. Known as the largest tunnel boring machine in the world right now, it is produced by the Japanese business Hitachi Zosen. Bertha is a 2,500 horsepower rotating and lifting machine designed like a cylinder with 41 pieces positioned horizontally for maximum boring impact. If you've stayed with us until this part of the video, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to see more videos from us. Number 10. Liebherr LR 13000. At a staggering $15 million, the Liebherr LR 13000 is the tallest crawler crane in the world. It is the most potent crane utilized in the building of refineries and power facilities, weighing 7,000 tons. The Liebherr LR 13000 is a cost-effective way to transport large loads, including parts up to 1,500 tons in weight and 100 meters in length anywhere globally. Even though it is designed to be extremely powerful, it may increase that strength by using the power boom feature to lift more weights. Number 11. Dragline Cat 8750. The enormous Caterpillar 8750 dragline, standing 90 meters tall and weighing 7,500 tons, is the next item on our list. This machine's manufacturer guarantees that under normal circumstances, it will last 40 years under daily use. Inside the construction business, the Cat 8750 dragline is a friendly neighborhood hero, a dependable machine that can excavate enormous amounts of rock and soil. Number 12. Massive SGC 250. As its name suggests, the massive SGC 250 is the biggest land-based crane in the world, weighing 10,000 tons and costing $20 million. It can lift 5,000 tons of weight, has a maximum load of 250,000 metric tons, and even lifts 2,000 tons when its radius is 100 meters. That's an incredibly powerful energy right there. This crane certainly carries the distinction of being the largest and possibly strongest crane. On November 9, 2018, it was formally unveiled to the public at a gathering in Belgium. Here, the manufacturing company demonstrated, among other things, its hoisting and lifting capabilities, providing the guests with an impression of the wonder of this enormous crane. Number 13. The Taisun Crane. The Taisun Crane, which weighs 50,000 tons and costs $50 million, comes next on the list. Situated in Shandong province in China, it is the largest gantry crane in the world record book. It is rather formidable with 20,000 tons of lifting capacity and multiple Guinness weight records over the years. Number 14. Ecotec Tree Shear. The Ecotec Tree Shear machine attachment was explicitly created to cut trees. It can cut trees up to 14 inches in diameter, and its shear can be swapped out and used on a different machine to cut trees up to 22 inches in diameter. This gives it a competitive edge over Mr. Crab from SpongeBob as a practical and dependable cutting instrument. Number 15. Multi-Purpose Water Master. Multi-Purpose Water Master. Water features frequently need careful upkeep, and this adaptable device stands out as a good option. With an engine of 2,000 horsepower, this machine performs the vital duty of clearing invasive aquatic vegetation and rubbish, and it may be operated remotely. Because of its mobility, it can carry out various tasks while crawling over bodies of water. This useful instrument for water management enhances the general cleanliness and well-being of rivers and other aquatic habitats. Number 16. Eterra Typhoon Type Clearing Mower. Landscape clearance is a breeze when using the Eterra Typhoon Type Clearing Mower. This machine's design makes it remarkably easy to remove plants and trees. Clearing difficult terrain is simple because of its remarkable power and creative design. Its user-friendly features and state-of-the-art capabilities guarantee successful and efficient field clearing operations. Number 17. Agrifac Trailed Sprayer. This innovative tool revolutionizes how large crop areas are sprayed, significantly increasing agricultural production. This machine is excellent at keeping the spray pressure constant, which minimizes the amount of sprayed material wasted. It also reduces the possibility of uneven application and guarantees the crops revive the treatments required for maximum growth by efficiently covering a large area of crops. The improved production and quality of crops directly result from this innovation. Number 18. Diamant 2000. The Diamant 2000 is a shining example of creativity merging with functionality in agriculture. With its efficient design, this machine minimizes the need for manual labor by cutting and splitting wood. Its highly effective mechanism and state-of-the-art safety features strike a harmonic balance between operator well-being and production. The Diamant 2000 makes the process of preparing wood for a variety of uses safe and effective. Number 19. Santa Lucia. Herrenknecht in Schwanau, Germany produced the biggest tunnel boring machine ever utilized in Europe, Santa Lucia. This device was used to finish the Santa Lucia tunnel in Italy in 2020. This closed-shield machine, which has a diameter of 15.8 meters, a length of 130 meters, and a total weight of 5,000 tons, was utilized by the Pavimento company. Using its installed power of 17,600 kilowatts and maximum thrust of 314,000 kilonewtons, workers in 2017 built a connection tunnel spanning 7.7 kilometers between Bologna and Florence. The TBM's German design provides an extra layer of protection against methane gas escapes during material extraction, allowing it to extract materials at a pace of 2,100 tons per hour. Number 20. Caucasus. The Caucasus is the largest single-shield hard rock tunnel boring machine globally with an excavation diameter of 15.08 meters. 182 meters in length, and 3,900 tons in weight, it was made in China by the China Railway Tunnel Group Company. Its power is 9,900 kilowatts, and its maximum thrust is 22,600 tons. It played a crucial role in the 2019 building of a 9-kilometer tunnel in the mountains of Georgia. This tunnel connects several nations and passes through the Caucasus Mountains. If you enjoyed this video, support us by subscribing to our channel and hitting the notification icon to see more videos from us. Also, comment below to let us know your thoughts on this video. See you in the following video.